Closing your credit cards will boost your credit score. Sounds clean, feels responsible, and it's wrong. Like, facepalm, wrong. Let me debunk it with myth versus math. If closing cards helped your score, lenders would beg you to do it. They don't, because your score is a math test, not a vibes check. Here's the math. Your FICO score has 5 buckets. Payment history about 35%. Pay on time, simple. Utilization about 30%. That's your balances divided by total limits. Lower is better. Length of credit history. How old is your oldest account? Older is better. New credit inquiries 10%. Credit mix. The different types of credit you have 10%. Now watch what closing a card actually does. Myth, I'll close this card and look more responsible. Math, you shrink your total available credit, pushing utilization up even if your spending doesn't change. Example, you've got 2 cards with a combined $5,000 limit and you carry $500. That's 10% utilization. Nice. Close the $3,000 limit card and keep the same $500 balance. Your limit drops to $2,000. Utilization jumps to 25%. Score goes down. Myth. Closing old cards cleans my report. Math. Age is average. Close your oldest card and once it falls off your report, your average age can drop. Younger profile, weaker score. Myth. Unused cards are risky. Math. Risk is behavior, not plastic. A zero balance card you don't abuse is neutral or helpful. Set auto pay for statement balance. Keep it alive with a tiny charge every few months and move on. History check. Credit scoring models were built to predict default, not to judge minimalism. People who keep limits high and balances low default less often. That's why the math rewards open, well-managed credit lines. Edge cases. If a card has an annual fee you don't use, call and product change to a no-fee version or to a lower limit instead of killing the account. If a card makes you overspend, cut the physical card. Keep the account open. Automate a tiny recurring bill. Pay off. Here's how to actually help your score. Pay on time every time. Alarms and auto pay are your best friends. Keep utilization under 10% for a glow-up, under 30% to stay safe. Keep your oldest accounts open when possible. Age compounds. Limit new hard pulls. Batch necessary applications. Maintain a clean zero statement balance before the statement closes if you can. So no, closing credit cards doesn't fix your score. Understanding the math does. Keep good lines open, keep balances low, and let time do the heavy lifting. That's not a hack. That's the system. Use it.